Hey everybody, welcome back to Green Country Custom Baits. We're going to be doing a paint session for you today like we do most times. Today we've got a big order come in. Let's see, where did we get this order in from? We've got a big order coming in, so we're going to do several videos over this from our guy in Georgia. And we'll be doing some Bomber, Model 6As, 7As, some Rock Crawlers, and some Little Johns. So get ready. We're going to do a pretty good little series here. Some of these are going to be remakes of older videos that probably need redone. But if you're interested in seeing the Sardis Shad, come join me. We're going to spray some paint. All right, we've got our two bombers that our customers picked out for the Sardis Shad. This is a fairly, this is not a real complex pattern, but it's a very effective pattern. We'll try to just isolate on this one bait, even though I'm going to do two of them here since we've picked two times. We've got a white base coat on it, and what we need for this particular pattern is a good amount of pearl white over the top of that white base. So white base just for, again, white base is just for coverage, even though my customer already had these particular lures sandblasted, which was awesome. And we're going to do a good amount of pearl right there, give that a real bait fish like base color, get a good heat set on it. And then our next pattern we're going to do is our color, I shouldn't say pattern. Our next color we're going to be doing is our light green color, and we're just going to go down half of the body, okay? Just like so. And that's going to be a little bit of an underlying color. We're really going to cover that up most of the way. So we got gloss black back is the next layer. We're just going to kind of cover lightly down this back, letting a lot of it fall kind of down the sides. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to cover most of that green up. We just want to leave a little bit of the edge showing through. And the reason we're doing this gloss black so heavy is this particular pattern. I may come back just with a little bit of our green. Looks like I went a little low and hit just a little bit of that at the front. A little bit more of that showing. Our fourth color, which is a big one, this is our Quicksilver Chrome. I want to make sure I've got you in frame real good right there, so I'm just using my hoop. Had a few comments. Looks like I need to dry that a little better. Start bleeding benches. That gloss black, can't hardly talk today, is what we need to make this Quicksilver Chrome really pop. So again, we're going to be mainly spraying toward the top of the back of the bait and letting that drift down the sides just a little bit. Perfect. We'll do the other side. This Quicksilver Chrome is really good stuff. Now, once you put a clear coat on, like most of your chromes, it does kind of take away some of the mirror effect of it. But this is it's a really good alternative to obviously trying to purchase silver or whatever and doing an actual chrome finish. So I really like it. Tried all sorts of it. I've got all clad. I've got lots of different chromes. This one works really nicely. So the next thing we need to do is we need to come back with our black, and we're going to reduce the pressure to at least 10, maybe lower. So I'm releasing a little air, and we're going to run that working pressure down to 10. We'll try that first, and we are going to do a splatter. On that back. Now, I'm mainly trying to keep it on the black, on the chrome. Just like that. I should have went ahead and done might as well put this back on. We'll go ahead and run our shad dot. And we'll put a nice little kill dot on the side. And again, I'm just starting in real close, finding my spot, and then pulling the airbrush away. Gives it a nice feathered end. Then we're going to come back with our light green that we did. Keeping the pressure low. Okay, we're coming back. We're going to reduce the pressure to around 8 or so. And now we're going to splatter. We're going to have to come up a little bit. Probably don't have the paint thin enough. If you're painting and splattering, you probably don't. It's working pretty good, but just want that on the lower half of this particular bait. So we got the black splatter on the top, the green splatter on the lower half toward the belly. We've got to shoot our red. I'm going to go ahead and do the eyes while I'm here. Being that this particular bait had stick-on eyes or painted-on eyes, and we're going to go with that first size. Where's my red? Yeah. There's our red eyes. We also add the red to the throat. And then start on the tape and just work it back. Showing it on the front throat. One thing that you're not going to see on this particular step, this has got in the clear coat, this is going to have some red glitter. Now you can do red glitter, or you can do a red mica powder. I like the red glitter a little best, and I use this Polyflake. It's a real fine, ultra fine, I believe it says. I don't know, I can't read it on here, but it's super fine little glitter. That's going to go in the clear coat, and not a lot of it, just enough. You know what I mean? So you'll see that when you see the pictures. First, I'm going to put our eyes on, get our pupil completed. And that's our Sardis Shad. Now, I've done this one. This is not a real old pattern of mine, but we're going to go ahead and show it as we complete John's order here. Appreciate you, John, for the work. So hope these lures go do you, catch you a bunch of fish at, I believe it's Lake Lanier, and maybe you don't want me to get that out, but John, I wish you the best with it, and we're going to show more of his patterns in the near future. Appreciate you stopping in. Leave comments. Let me know how you like this pattern, and by all means, tell me what you think it would do on your home lakes. Until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.